How you doing?
Can I help you with that?
Sure.
Appreciate it. Can I help you with that? You probably got such a hard day. Come on, let's make it easy.
Long day.
So you can go home to your wife nice and rested.
Yes, well.
All right, let's
Thank
go.
you, guys.
Let's do it.
So what are you doing today?
Would you like a piggy? Would you like a piggyback ride? Give me a piggyback ride.
I'm having a hard time here. The sun. Can't.
So are you driving back home? All right. So see, he needs his rest. You need to drive 3 hours all the way to Fort Lauderdale.
You guys are walking too fast.
So we don't want him to fall asleep. We don't want him to get tired, and that's why we're doing this for Mike.
Yeah.
Fort Lauderdale.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it, guys. Make sure you're not staying still.
He's going, we're here. He's going way down there.
So we helped him out.
We helped him out.
Bring him back his clipboard. You're trying to.
Chips?
Handshake will be good.
They're feeding us very well, Mike.
Take care, Mike.
Thank you, guys.
Have a nice trip.
I'll find me on YouTube, right?
Get some
To
coffee.
make the video, he wants to see.
Get
And
some
you know
coffee.
what?
wants to see the
How about a
video.
hug?
Oh!
We call you with the name of the video.
Thank you.
Okay? Bye bye.
Thank you, Mike. Have a good one.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.